Oh, YouTube, so I post this video here. I must have been, I don't know, living underneath a rock or something. I did not know we have a doomsday clock. Where have I been? I did not know this. Interesting that according to the articles, if you type in doomsday's clock on Google, you'll get all kinds of articles about this. But it just moved 90 seconds until midnight. And I guess apparently when it hits midnight, that's like the end of the world or something bad's going to happen. Maybe the end of the world. Maybe that's not the way to say that, but something bad's going to happen when it hits midnight. And this article here that I found that talks about this clock, which like I said, I did not know this. I don't know when this clock took effect. I guess I'll have to read more of this article. But yeah, so I'm kind of surprised. I guess I did not realize. Maybe a lot of you guys out there knew about this or not. And some people, from what I've read in the comments, some people are thinking that this is just a ploy, scare tactic type of thing. Some people really believe in it. Some people, I guess it just kind of depends on how you look at it. Now, of course, everyone, has their own ideas and opinions. Hopefully it never happens, obviously. We don't, hopefully that's not, nothing will ever happen. But, yeah, very interesting. I guess, I was not aware of that. And maybe it could be a ploy. This particular article here is talking about, if you look at the headline, and then they say, danger, moves 90 seconds. Well, here are 3 top stocks that could survive. So, is this a marketing scheme, maybe? Maybe they're just trying to get people, it's getting close. You better buy these stocks to survive the apocalypse. Whatever. I don't know. I mean, I just find it really interesting about this. And like I said, maybe I never heard of it. I feel kind of dumb here. I never heard of the doomsday clock, to be honest with you. But nevertheless, what do you guys think? Post your comments down below, and please subscribe. Thank you, and have a good day.